Fix Facebook forgot password code not received. In today's video, we'll talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first, go and open the settings of your phone. Then here you have to open apps option. Here on apps option, you have to search now for Facebook. Open then Facebook and scroll down. You have to click on storage. Click now on the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back, click on force stop and click also OK. And now what you should do, you have to back and restart your phone, and you have to turn on your airplane mode and turn off it, and after this your problem will be solved. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another